something from the store. Close up the trunk. Now we can start driving. Start driving. Oh yeah. Roll the windows down a little bit. Not too bad for the access. Can we put the seat up anymore? Yeah. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, let's buckle on up. And then you start driving. And now, guys, this is an electric car, so you're not going to hear any noise. Plus, my dashboard is broken, so my phone is telling me how fast I'm going and all that stuff. The store's dog got a bunch of hair on me. And, start the car up. Now, once again, you're not going to hear anything because it's all electric. Okay. Engine's flowing. Let's shift gears. And start driving. Okay. As I said, dashboard's broken. So that's cheap. I like driving. Let's change the lanes. Whoa! Oh, that guy does not know how to drive. Whew. Oh, I need to put the... Whoa. Ha, 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 ha. Learn how to drive. Oh, I think he's gone. Oh, man, he is speeding. Whoa, whoa, whoa! And there goes the police going after him. Wow. Ford, don't be a fan on the road, Dad. Be good for me. Okay, let's start going. Okay. I think we're all good. Yep, we're all good. Okay. Time to stop. Turn our blinkers on. Oh, big old truck passed me. Read the mirrors. We're going to the farm today. Well, it's really just has a garden and a shed and some chickens. Small farm, but still okay. Okay, let's just pull up in here. Okay. Okay, shift brake. Turn the brakes on. Okay, and we're here. There we go. Let's get out of the car now. Hold on, guys. I'm going to put the camera down so I can lift this window up. So, this is the farm. Oh, it's flood back there. Y'all might not be able to see it too well, but I'll show you. Look at the light. Oh man. You aren't crooked today and go There's the hen, the leader, the females. Yeah, he doesn't really like me too much. Now this hen, though, he likes me. This hen is a good guy. Come here, guys. I'm gonna make you see this thing's worm. That's what I always do. Yeah. Okay. Well, I guess throw some sticks into the backyard. Looks like we've got a swamp or a pond going on. Wow. Hi. How you doing today, man? Cool. See you later. Look at it. It's a swing. It's stable. Yeah, it looks pretty stable to me. It's swing. And okay, let's go. I think we should go back on home. Let's get into an electric car. I'm just going to run the AC for a little bit, but we're not actually going to go. AC's running, getting cooler in here. It's like really hot. Dashboard's still broken. Good so far, though. Oh, there's no mirror. I look so good, but the stupid car can't have a mirror. God. Such a pretty farm. I think we should start going now. Yeah, we should start going. Car's already on, so we don't have to turn it on. Get our seatbelt. Okay. Hello. I don't really love this car, but it's a good car. Okay, shift gears. Woo. Okay, we got a lot of dirt road to drive. Rocky road. Kick it up some speed. Get some speed. Oh, kicking up like 45. This car's only got an 85. Old car. That's about as fast as today's buses go. Okay. Okay, finally, we are by the highway. Okay. Come on, Alice. Dang, the police are pulled. Hey, I can't shut a police officer due to camera rules, so here you go. Look at my leafy windshield wiper. Hey, your turn signal's out. I am so sorry. I've been trying to fix that. But yeah, I've been trying to fix that. I'm so sorry. Do I have like a ticket? No, I'll let you go on this one. I know you're trying your best. Thanks, officer, for understanding. Okay, see ya. Yeah, when I said I did it, I knew about the turn signal. I really did it. My phone should give me a notification. You have one notification. Now the notification comes in. Well, let's just start driving. Okay, tell me. My seatbelt. Oh, my seatbelt just magically slid off. I hate this car. Oh, come on. You just have to do this to me. Okay. Okay, so, pretty crazy. But, we can make the best out of today. I think we can. gears up into one. Break. We're back home. Wait, we've already been here. This is the barn. Wait. If this is the barn, but we're at my house then.